Title: Why user testing by people with disabilities is important. Stylized web browser appears with an accessibility symbol in the bottom right corner. 4 user icons pop up around it and hover. Christy.
When we as blind people are trying to encourage people to make things accessible,
The accessibility icon is covered by a red circle and a slash to indicate that it is inaccessible.
one of the main things we tell them is, if it's not accessible, if it's completely inaccessible, you're losing customers.
1 user icon disappears. The web browser populates with generic, gray content. The remaining users disappear one at a time.
And even if it's,
Without a doubt.
technically accessible, but a real pain, you're probably still going to lose some customers.
The browser fills with color, the red circle and slash are removed from the accessibility symbol, and the symbol turns purple to represent AudioEye. User icons reappear one at a time with talking bubbles to indicate user feedback by people with disabilities.
It makes sense that you would want to sort of bring that user element in there as well as the technical side of it.
The screen zooms into the browser as the colorful content transforms into generic, gray content. The accessibility symbol turns blue to represent automation-only accessibility companies. Red error symbols cover the website content. New speaker, Ari.
I feel so sorry for like all these companies that like they think they're doing the right thing and then we're like, no, you're wrong again. It's gotta be frustrating.
The browser fills with color, the accessibility symbol turns to purple again, and the red error symbols are replaced with green check marks. A user icon floats in the bottom left corner with a talking bubble to represent user feedback.
I like that there's people so that you can train your tech to go, oh, hey, this looks like this, but it's actually the same thing as this other thing over here.
Title: AudioEye A11iance testing, where alliance is spelled with 2 1s to represent ally, or accessibility.